All right, welcome back. We're going to move on to level 3, which is this part on the activity guide. So there isn't a part on the actual app, but we're going to move on. So you've done level 2, now we're on level 3. So it says supervised and unsupervised learning. Each scenario represents an example that is similar to supervised learning or unsupervised learning. Read through the examples, then identify the scenarios that you think are most similar to supervised learning and the ones that are most similar to unsupervised learning. All right, so A, you see someone playing your favorite song on a piano. After they leave, you sit at the piano and press random notes on the piano until you start to recreate the melody from the song. Okay. B, you go to a swim coach to help you learn how to swim in a pool. You watch them demonstrate basic strokes before practicing your own. C, the elders in your family show you how to cook meals from recipes passed down from generation to generation. You read the recipe and watch them cook the meal first before you try making it yourself. D, a toddler watches all the adults in their life walk around the house. Eventually, after a lot of falling and stumbling, they learn to find their balance and start walking. E, you know that there are spices in your kitchen, but you're not sure what to do with them. You add little bits of different spices and taste as you go until you settle on a taste that you like. F, you study different vocabulary words for science class by creating flashcards. On one side is the word, and on the other side is the definition. As you study, you gradually start to memorize the terms. So, 1, what are 2 scenarios above that you think are most similar to supervised learning? So, option and option. Why do you think these scenarios are supervised learning? And so then you would explain why. Over here, what are 2 scenarios above that you think are most similar to unsupervised learning? Option and option. And then why do you think the scenarios are unsupervised learning? And so then you would put da 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 and your reason. All right. So when you finish filling the activity guide in, you are done for the day. And there we go. All right. So I will see you guys on lesson 3. Here we go.